Okay. Don't sit and wait. Get up and live your dream. Starts from mentality. Don't sit and wait. You are the seed of your own reality. Don't sit and wait. Get up and live your dream. Starts from mentality. Don't sit and wait. You are the seed of your own reality. Open up your mind. Recognize the universe inside. Yeah, open up the eye. Break out of your box. Open up your heart or continue living blind. It's up to you. And the time will come if it's meant to be. If it's meant to be, it's true. You are the seed of your own reality. Don't sit and wait. Get up and live your dream. Starts from mentality. Don't sit and wait. You are the seed of your own reality. Don't sit and wait. Get up and live your dream. Starts from mentality. Don't sit and wait. You are the seed of your own reality.
Hey yo, I count up all the things I have that money can't buy. I'm talking family and friends, it's such a wonderful life. Don't wanna run out of time, and so I gotta go and get it. But the day you plant the seed, and the day you pick the lemon. And lately I've been winning, got some skin in the game. My seeds turn to trees, pick and squeeze. Now I got some lemonade. So sweet, people wanna talk, but they really don't know me. T-Cron the homie, I am the pelican. Posted at the cliffs and the clouds look like elephants. Life is very delicate, and I'm sucking up the nectar. I'm something like a good times collector, energy protector. Whoa, don't be coming round bringing down my mood. Yeah, and I'm going on a heater. I ain't gonna sit around and cross my fingers.
Don't sit and wait. Get up and live your dream. Starts from mentality. Don't sit and wait. You are the seed of your own reality. Don't sit and wait. Get up and live your dream. Starts from mentality. Don't sit and wait. You are the seed of your own reality.
Yeah, brother. You're the seed, man.